How to share your SoundCloud profile easy and fast on Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or whatever. So first thing, you need to go to the SoundCloud app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to share your profile, go here down to the library, and then this is my profile. Now if you want to share it, just click here on this icon, and now as you can see, you can share it to your Instagram story or your Facebook story, or you can copy the link or share it to WhatsApp or Messenger, or also you can share it to more social media, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.